this real quick is that this train just came around, it came up to there, backed up, all the way back, then came back all the way to there, and now it's backing up again. This is really confusing. This is probably hard for you guys to see because YouTube makes things go darker, but there's a train right there. And it's just been annoying the traffic. Wow. Hey, Grandma. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
You're on YouTube, you know.
She got a whole collection of train videos. Yup.
That's my dude, right?
What's good, baby?
Remember seeing the heavy Chevy, that big truck?
Yup.
Been talking to you for years.
What's
man.
good, baby?
Nah, shit.
You get a chance to check out my Southwest Detroit video? Yes,
Oh my.
Check that out. On YouTube, just like this, Solid City, Southwest Detroit. Record the trains as they come along. Yup, yup.
Is he the guy that helped you with the motorcycle?
No, that's the rapper.
Oh, and you were on the motorcycle?
Like a real established rapper.
Wow, we just saw a rapper. That's one of my dad's friends, a rapper.
I had a big pickup, my big pickup truck.
Dad,
He let me make one of my videos.
Dad,
Truck.
weren't you on the
Hey,
motorcycle?
I'm a little tight on money. Otherwise, I'd try to get one of them CDs off you.
You know I'm always up.
That's what I'm getting at. I'll see you next time. I'm gonna fight.
Oh my, everyone.
What's the song? Southwest?
The train has came back. It's moving. It came back.
Every week a new video comes up. Yesterday,
Look at that.
I uploaded the Hyde Park video.
Dude, that thing's so loud. I'm sorry that I'm screaming, but I need to. Oh my. This train is so annoying and paranoid. Did I just say paranoid? What? Oh my. This train can barely move now. He's gonna need to connect another train engine. And he's stopping. He's stopping.
Because my son, that's my mom.
Yes, sir.
Because he was a baby.
What?
That's what's up.
I'm not even sure anymore. Wow. Oh my. This video is gonna be so long. This train's gonna take forever.
No doubt.
Man, this. By the way, that company better not copyright me.
He got that when I was a kid.
You gotta be a quick thinker.
He's he made a CD that I bought off.
Are you serious?
And I mean, I played it until I couldn't, until you could see through it, you know, until it broke. The coolest shit ever.
Wow.
He had like a couple songs. I can't believe he didn't make it big. And they could have been radio songs. Catchy, he had a good hook. And he had one song that was like, from Monroe to Detroit. Chesterfield knows this. From Hamilton.
Everyone, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to make sure I show no license plates because I'll get traumatized if I show off license plates. If not, then I just don't want you guys to see them. But oh my, it just backed up. Oh my. This is what it looks from far distance. But guys, I have to zoom in because of how hard that is to see. Oh my. This is physically stupid. Very stupid. Is this train tracks? Now it's gone. Wow. When this video gets to like 7 minutes, I'm gonna end it, but anyways, this is still, are you freaking kidding me? Get out of here, truck. Get out. Out of here. Thank you, Mr. Truck. Oh, the train's gone.
Childish videos. But some of them are adorable.
Wow.
Trying hard here, guys.
This is really
Work
weird.
with me. It's my first video, but if I get 100 subscribers.
But anyways, guys, I'm just gonna end it here because I don't want this video being too long. Anyways, see you guys. Peace out.